Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on adding a new user in ManuDyn Cloud 9. If this is the first time your system has been configured, a configuration wizard will be displayed and the top 4 items should be marked as completed if you have worked through the previous videos in the Getting Started series. The next item on our checklist is to add a new user. To do so, click on this link, or if you don't see the wizard, go to the System Settings menu group and click the Users menu item. The Users menu page is similar to other data entry screens in ManuDyn in that there is a blue toolbar at the top of the content area where we can enter the record that we wish to work with. In the field located in the blue toolbar, we need to enter the username that we want to create or modify. In my example, I will create a user called Demo. The system has loaded in the profile information for the entered username. If we have entered a new record, the profile tab will be blank. For new users, we need to enter a password, then confirm this password in the field below. Next, enter the name of our new user. If you want to send email from the system, you will need to enter the user's email address. The phone number fields are optional. You can change the country, time zone, and language setting for the user if required. If you want this user to always save their changes when leaving a data entry tab, then click the Automatically Save Changes option. If you want this user to launch a new browser window whenever they click on a menu item, then tick the Launch New Window option. Lastly, on this tab, you define what type of account this user should have. A ManuDyn Cloud 9 user can access all areas they have been given permission for. A factory-only user is logged into the factory screen and cannot access other areas of the system. A B2B only user is used for customers or vendors to access a B2B menu where they can view their orders and other information. When using the B2B setting, the username must match the company code for the particular customer or vendor, as they will only be able to see orders for that company code. A phone or tablet app user is selected when this user will only be accessing the system from a phone or tablet app. If you have selected ManuDyn Cloud 9 as the user access type, we should click the Permissions tab to set what areas of the system they can access. For each user, we can either use simple or detailed permissions. If you have activated simple permissions, the user will have access to all areas of the system with the exception of the System Settings menu group and the ManuDyn Account menu group. To enable access to the ManuDyn Account menu group, tick the Management Access option. To enable access to the System Settings menu group, tick the Administrator Access option. If you prefer to set detailed permissions, click this option and a list of options regarding each of the menu items will be displayed. In order to access any menu item, the option must be ticked. For now, I'm going to set this user with simple permissions and click the Email tab. The Email tab allows you to enter a default email signature that will be used when sending email messages from this account in ManuDyn. The default signature will be displayed at the time of creating the email and can be overridden prior to sending. I have now finished entering my new user and can save this record by clicking on the Save icon in the blue toolbar, or I can save and close the record by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the tab. If you need to enter additional usernames, you can do so now by repeating the same procedure. Once you have finished, you can return to the home page by clicking the Home Page button at the top of the screen, or by clicking on the Exit button in the toolbar. In the next video tutorial, we will create a company record in the system. Click on the link to start the next video.